if you've not done it yet, have a look at Anne Livingston's YouTube channel, her art channel, where yesterday she did an online exhibition featuring various artists. We each did a series of artwork, and I was one of the people who contributed to that. So I'll leave the link below if you want to go and take a look at that. This is one of the paintings I submitted to the exhibition, and this is how I'm going to present them in cellophane with a mount, although with these mounts you will lose part of the painting, but then you could take the mount away and mount it in a frame if you so wish. And then in the back there's a certificate of authenticity with my name on it and a little image of the painting on the front. So that's how I need to do the rest of the 9 pieces that I'm featuring, and they are here. So there's this one, these 2, these 2, not that one, not that one. They're the didn't make it's. Those aren't finished yet. And this one. Not this one. That's something else. And not this one. But also I wanted to show you the frog paintings that I started the other day. Well, this is what they look like so far. I think they could be finished. I'm not sure yet. I'll take some time to look at them, but I'm quite pleased with how they turned out. This one I think I'm going to name Kiss, and this one Listen, because this one, if you look here, it looks like a profile, a leafy person, I don't know. It looks like the frog is actually being kissed. So, and he looks a little bit shocked about that as well, he or she. And this one, I thought, listen, it looks like the frog is listening to whatever this leaf is saying. So that's where I am at the moment. So I'm busy packaging up paintings, finishing off other paintings, and creating new artworks. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out Anne Livingston's channel. I'll leave the details below, and that's it.